Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Distinct guys, organizer, fellow researcher, and the participant of this conference. It is great honorable to me and with my team to present our manuscript with the title Consumer Perception of Halal Certification and its Influence on Trust and Purchasing Preferences. It is a descriptive study in Pekalongan, Indonesia. We are with my team, with the co-author Siva Rohmah, Kori Aina Fitroh, and Rina Triastuti. So, what the background of this article? We know that today, uh, global market, especially halal certification, plays a dual role. It is not only into compliant with Islamic principles, but also have a quality assurance system that reflects safety, hygiene, and ethical sourcing. Uh, Previous studies have shown that Muslim consumers tend to associate halal label with reliability and integrity. However, there is limited research focusing on smaller region in Indonesia where economic and culture differ from major urban centers. So what the study, our study is to seek the answer how important is halal certification to customer in Pekalongan. And number two, what factors support or inhibit their trust and purchasing behavior toward halal certified product. So the method of this research is we use two theoretical perspective. Number one, the commitment trust theory, and the second, the theory of planet behavior. We employ this research with quantitative description design and involving 99 Muslim respondents, especially in Pekalongan City and Regency. And the data were collected using structure close-ended questionnaire with the Likert scale. The instrument demonstrated that reliability with Convac Alpha 0.80, and the respondent of this research is collected by purposive sampling with the convenient. And we found the finding of this article. The research show that halal certification plays a central role in consumer decision making. We know that our finding 73% of respondents consider halal certification is very important when he purchasing decision. And 62% often or always check halal label before buying the product. And 85 respondent believe that halal certification indicate product quality and safety. However, 89% of respondents admit lacking knowledge about certification procedure, while 5% report difficulty accessing information. It is the problem for the respondent in Pekalongan. So, the main reason of choosing halal product are religious belief, health, and product quality. It is the factor that influenced by the people in Pekalongan choosing the halal product. This finding confirmed that halal certification acts both a fact-based and rational trust mechanism. So in this research, halal certification has two factor. Number one, fact-based, and the number two is rational trust mechanism. Uh, so what the discussion and implication of the research? The finding aligned with the commitment trust theory. Consumer rely on halal certification based on credibility and moral integrity. Yet, a trust gap remains because many lack sufficient halal literacy. Using the theory planet behavior, we found intention behavior gap. People want to buy halal product but often lack of knowledge and access to act on it. Improving literacy and transparency, therefore crucial to strengthen consumer trust and market confidence. And so what the conclusion of the research? Halal certification in Pekalongan has two function. Number one, religious assurance and trust building tool. To enhance its effectiveness, we recommend to smash expanding community-based halal education, especially for the women. Number two, improving digital transparency through system like Si Halal or QR verification. And number two, and number three, providing technical and financial support to small business seeking certification. So, by becoming literasi, transparency, and collaboration, Indonesia can transform halal certification into a sustainable trust framework for consumer and industry alike. It is the final our presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.